Double up, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. All right, guys. So it is April 1st, 2025. That's why you always check your gun. It's from dove season. Well, April 1st, 2025, I'm getting a late start, but better late than never. Out here about to try out these 3-inch TSS shells I've had for a year. I tried some 3.5-inch last year, but they about broke my dang shoulder. As you can see, this is a really short barrel 12 gauge I've had since I was about 14 years old. But been on the road the past couple weekends trying to sell some cell cameras and whatnot, but I finally got a weekend off, so I'm about to meet my buddy Studblood down in South Georgia, and hopefully he can call in some birds for me, but let's get this gun sighted in first. Boop! As you can hear, my turkey calling is about as good as my drawing. A little bit high at 35, but we'll make adjustments and make her work. There we go, boys. It's a good sign, baby. It's a good sign. Just need this rain to hold up. Good sign.
That purring is on. See, yours is a flat stick. Mine's round. Well,
I kind of like this one. I've used a bunch of different strikers. And
that's a good striker with that purring.
where are we going, Matt?
We're going to the turkey woods, huh?
Are we going to the turkey woods? We going to the house?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Of course. Why'd you let me forget the damn strutter decoy? I walked right by it, too.
Get up and shoot him. Hey, baby.
Oh my goodness, I was shaking like a leaf, son.
Oh, I got hit the
Have you ever smoked crack before?
Oh, God.
I haven't either, but I imagine that's what it's like. Oh my goodness, dude.
Hey,
Yes.
right.
Oh God, dude.
Hey, congratulations, brother. Hey, that is what every turkey hunter dreams of right here.
Oh my goodness, dude.
Hey.
Yeah, my ears could be playing tricks on me, but I swear that gobble came from back that way.
Good now. It could. Look at them spurs, baby.
Beautiful spring morning.
You're gonna get a world record over here. For your first turkey.
That's about the equivalent of like a 90-inch buck, right?
Beginner's luck. Hey, that's all good though. It's a hen. What we can do is push her away, go set up, put decoys in the field. This is hard right here. I got one shot.
Yeah.
And it's, you know, it's right here.
Yeah.
By the time it gets there, he'll see me or see you. But I said we just push her off.
All right.
Go set up in that brush.
go, baby. Double up, son. We double up, baby. No way. There's no way that just happened. There is no way that just happened, dude.
Oh my God. Here come.
Dude, I said, where's he at, field or timber? I couldn't get on until last minute. I saw him, I was like, oh crap, there he is.
I looked to my left.
Dude.
All right. I seen a white head.
Yes.
Looking straight at us. I was like, son of a... Man, she's flying far, ain't she? Hey.
Tagged out, baby.
I seen a white head. See that little berm right there?
Uh-huh.
And looked over.
Yeah, I was looking that way through the trees.
Over here?
Well, when you said you see him, I was looking out there. I had no idea where he's at. I'm like looking, struggling with the camera.
Got him on film though?
Yeah. What was that?
No walking!
Doubled up, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey. See that little hill? Right here, right?
Yep.
No mask on. I'm sweating out. I'm like, I'm waiting for a gobble. Waiting for that gobble. Waiting for that evening gobble. And I played that 2 hen part. Pow, 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 pow. I just happened to look over there. Because I knew it. I knew they was going to come from that way. Or straight behind us. He come right here. Seen that white head looking. I was like, oh my God. There he is. And I thought I screwed up because his head was looking directly at me and he kind of fan went down. I was like, oh. That's why I was cussing the whole time. I was like, son of a. And he went behind this shrub stuff, all these trees right here, came over here, and I was like, you got him on camera? You got him on camera? And he was like, yeah. I was like, hell, he was coming. Silent. But hey.
Got it done, baby. Let's go
done,
check him
baby.
out. Let's go check him out.
That's awesome.
Well, you got a lot of birds on the ground the last 2 weeks.
Boy. That was freaking awesome, man. Woo. Look at that. What was that, about a 30-yard shot? 3.5. 3.5. Put it on the head. God almighty. Lord have mercy. Woo. Love it.
We're going to celebrate tonight, baby.
Yes, sir.
Doubled up.
Look at those spurs.
Let me see them.
Look at those spurs, baby. Woo. They'll cut you, boy. They'll cut you.
Ooh.
Yeah, beautiful bird. Nice beard, too.
I cannot believe that just happened.
Just like that. Hey,
Happens quick, baby.
he come in, baby. And like I said, that was a silent one right there, but I was gonna call to see if he'll, but
Man, if you would have been snoring or something, still sleeping, he would have walked in, spooked, and took off. We would have never even known he was there.
it's awesome, Bubba. God, it's awesome.
The No Walkin Tour continues,
No Walkin
baby.
Tour.